Hello everyone, Reza here. In this very short video, I'll show you how to mirror your animation using Graph Editor inside Maya. So I'll be repurposing the scene that I had for simplifying curves video. So if you haven't watched that, make sure to check it out. So what I want to do is not only to copy all the keyframes to the other sphere, but also I want to mirror it. So basically flip the animations. This technique is actually quite useful in walk cycle when you do animation for one side of the character and you actually flip the animation and mirror it to the other side. So let's see how we can do that. Step by step, we're moving forward. First step is to copy all the animation from one side, all the keys from one side to the other side. So basically we get the exact function curve on this object, which currently doesn't have any keyframe. So I'm going to select the animated object, go to Edit, Copy, select the object with no animation, go to Edit, Paste. Believe it or not, it was that simple. All right, so we get identical animation. Fantastic. Now we get that one out of the way. Time to flip the animation or reverse the animation on the yellow sphere. How we can do that? We can do that through scale. I'm going to go to the option box, the time range, time slider, you already know that. To method, we usually pick scale pivot with only scale specified keys. So you can actually specify a channel or set of keys. Now, the way that you flip the animation is through time scale pivot, flipping the scale value to -1. And that's going to flip the animation from frame 0 and basically reverse your function curve. But be mindful of the fact that when you reverse your functional curve, you actually put the entire function curve in minus region. Probably not the most useful thing. So if I press apply, you can see it indeed flipped it, but into the minus. So if your time frame starts at frame 1, you basically get no animation whatsoever. And that's why this second value pivot is useful. So the way that you punch number in this attribute is by multiplying this time frame that you have to 0.5 or divided in half basically. So I have 75 frames divided in half, 37.5. I'm going to round it 38. All I need to do is to undo now. So I'm going to undo. And then with the setting I have, I'm just going to zoom in so you guys get to see. Flip it to -1 and then offset it 38 frames and scale keys. You can see I successfully flipped the same animation that I had on the blue sphere on the yellow sphere. Now if I play, very cool. Now the animation has been mirrored from one object to another. I hope you found this video useful and see you in the next video.